third grade scientists. My name is Mrs. Ryman, and I am a third grade teacher here at Carysbrook Elementary. You might have me as your homeroom teacher, but you might not. I help out with science, and I want to talk to you today about what happens to matter when it breaks. Because I want to ask you something. Do you think that it still has the same physical properties even though it's broken? So that's my question for you today. I want you to think about whether or not the physical properties of matter change. So a physical property can be color, size, shape, texture, if it's a solid, gas, or a liquid. And I want to ask you, do you think it changes if it's broken? So I have some questions and I have some things to show you to make you think about that. All right, so one of the things that I have first is something that sometimes I find on the floor in my classroom. This, okay? What is this? Well, to me, it looks like part of a pencil. All right, it's like that orangish yellowish color of a pencil. It's hard. It's smooth. It is shaped like a hexagonal prism, sort of broken, a little sharp down here. Is it still a pencil? I also have this. It's smooth. It's kind of a cylinder shape here. It's black and kind of like a clearish black color. It's definitely a solid. This looks like part of a pen. Is it still a pen? I have this piece and I have this piece as well. Do you think maybe I could put them back together? Are the broken pieces still a pen? Do I still call this a pen? Science isn't always just one thing or the other. We have to think about things sometimes. Now this, it's stretchy. It's a solid. It's been ripped or cut. It looks like a rubber band. Is it still a rubber band, even though it's been broken? What do you think? And then this. It's smooth. It's pink and white stripes. It's kind of a trapezoid, maybe a rectangle-ish kind of shape. Did I tell you already that it's smooth? It's crinkly. It's a solid. So I think this is a piece of paper that's been ripped. Is it still paper? So as we go through some of our new things that we're going to be thinking about as scientists, I want to ask you a question. If matter is broken, is it still matter? Is it still, just because this is broken, is it still a pencil? Is the paper still a paper? Something to think about. Scientists need to stay curious.